It's very easy to create a Pinterest business account for your, then click sign up. So you can put your email or password. So describe your business here. If you don't know your category, then you can do others, business name, location, website. Next, your goal, increasing online sale. Right. At least you can put three. Okay, I'm interested to advertise. Select your brand category and go to others, then do done. So I do X and your business account has done. So from here, you can put your logo and cover photo. I'm going to Canva Pro. We search logo. So you can choose any one or right now, choosing this one. And be done, download, and you upload here. So edit profile, then change. Okay. So you can include your details. Just I put my location. You can put your own location. So done. Now we can upload your Westcom Rail. So it comes. Now you can do update everything, whatever you want. So I'm going to again Canva and come on Canva, then clothing and upcoming summaries upcoming for USA. So you can change your website. Boom, boom. Do your create a theme, load, file, create a board, summer collection, create. Now you have to go the chat GPT. Okay, then you can easily create a content for title, for you have shown here the 50% off. So with 50% off, plus tag, summer personal, you can copy here and paste here. Okay, you can do scheduled campaign or now okay, you can publish. You can view your pin like that way you can see the link. So like that way you can create a use pin and you can generate the sales and impression, outbound click, also the traffic. I hope this video helping you to create your business account and also create pin and board. Thank you so much. And if you want to take any service about Pinterest, then feel free to reach out to me. You can check my video details. Thank you so much.